All right, buddy, here we go. It's the fast part. Good boy, Moose. Whoa, stay on the trail, buddy. Come on. Hello, chair. Say hi, Moose. Here's Moose. We're gonna go fast. You ready, buddy? Let's go. Come on, Moose. Good boy. Come on. Look at how big Moose is. That's a full-size snowmobile. Car going up the road. But we're headed to the field. Let's go, Moose. Good boy. Come on. Whew. You digging? You're a good boy. Are we back? I think I lost everybody. Somebody give me a thumbs up if we're back. Our service is a little weird. What do you think, Moose? You ready? Let's go, buddy. Gotta dig. Dig and break. What's under that snow? Hey, thanks for the thumbs up. All right, we're live. That was confirmation right there. Let's go, Moose. Back to the trail, buddy. Digging time's over. Time to ski. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's got other plans. Here we go. Good boy. Gotta get through the deep stuff. Powder day.